Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Wednesday, December 5th. Lower lows on the broad market E-mini S&P held above the 1400 support to finish at 1405, down 2 points Tuesday as trade consolidates. The two-week stock rally run came to an end Monday after new relative highs at 1424. Dow futures closed down 14 points at 12,936 for a second consecutive day below the psychological 13,000 level. Support on a weekly basis sits at previous mid-month highs at 12,850 with the 13,200 end of September, beginning of November peak, the resistance above. Tech shares closed at 2665, down 4.5 points after a high Monday at 2698, right near the 2700 resistance with the 2600 support below. Crude oil lost 70 cents at 88.39 after posting new month highs at 90.33 on Monday. The month-long trading range was extended with those highs and the 85.50 last Wednesday support level below. The euro added another 35 points to close right at the 131 level and multi-week highs. The dollar index at 79.65 has pushed below the key 80 halfway support from the October 78.50 to November 81.50 rally run. Gold failed at the 1700 pivot support to lose $23 and finish at $16.98. The $16.75 extreme lows from the beginning of November is the downside to watch. Silver also dropped down 75 cents to 33.01 as selling continues after 7-week highs were posted last Thursday. So with stocks holding support and the dollar turning lower, where did things stand to start the day and this Wednesday morning? The dollar bounced at 79.50 area to now trade at 79.75. The euro is down 24 points at 130.77, and bonds are 9 ticks higher to just under 150.5. Crude oil sits relatively unchanged at 88.50 with only a 70-cent trading range for the session overnight. A run above the weekly resistance targets $95 and the yearly pivot. Gold is back above 1700 and is $8 higher at 1704. Silver's regained 32 cents after a tough couple of days and right now sits at 33.13. So as we get started on this Wednesday morning, the E-mini S&P is up 4 at 1409.5. Dow futures are 50 points higher and the NASDAQ futures are 4 points up, 4 points higher with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action for this Wednesday morning, the euro currency is down 24 points with the dollar still solidly below 80 and bonds up 9 ticks. Crude's holding at 88.50 with gold $8 higher to 17.04 per ounce. Stock futures with the E-mini S&P sit at 1409.5 with weekly and multi-week highs at 1424 above to watch. The Dow futures at the CME Group are 50 points higher at 12,983. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Thursday for the Stir in the Markets to set up your day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.